Welcome. If you want to set up screen lock in your Motorola Moto E7 Plus, let's go for the settings. Right now we have to go for the security, click on the screen lock and pick up one of the method. I will go for the pattern. Right now we have to draw our pattern, click next and draw it one more time. Then just click confirm. We can also adjust notification on the lock screen, but I will leave it with this option. And right now we can lock the device and try to unlock with our new lock method. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.